Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to download and install PIP for Python 3.11 Easy Guide. So this tutorial doesn't actually just work for Python 3.11, but onto all other Python as well. So what we need to do in here is we'll need to verify first onto our command prompt on what Python version we currently in. So just head onto CMD of your device or command prompt and then type in there Python dash dash then version. So this is just to check what is the current version that we're in. So as you can see, we're currently at 3.13.1. Then right after, to go ahead and install pip for this specific Python. So we're going to head onto the specific website, which is bootstrap.pypa.io. So you'll get redirected onto the screen and you should be able to see the option to get pip.py. So this is actually updated last November 18, 2024. So I think we have the right one in here. Just right click onto that and then save link as. So we're just going to choose the desktop in here as our location for this. And then we're just going to name that as it is. So click on save. And then once it is done, so as you can see, it is done already in here, just head back on command prompt. Now, right after, to go ahead and install this is what we're going to type in here. So we're just going to type in here, Python, then right after, get dash pip.py. So you'll just need to go ahead and type in this. And before we proceed, I have checked that we have saved this onto this specific location in here. So just go ahead and try to save also the recently downloaded get pip file onto this location as well. So right after you have moved that, just click onto enter. And this should go ahead and install pip onto your device. So you'll just have to wait for that one. So these are the message that you should be able to see onto your screen if it is actually downloading already. So you'll just have to wait for this one. Now once if it is completed already, you should be able to see the message that it is successfully installed and also its version in there. And that is how easy you could go ahead and download and install PIP for Python. If you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.